Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan, the Wheelchair Van Man, and today we've got a Volvo XC90 in that we recently installed a set of Sure Grip Featherlite push rock hand controls. Now, no doubt the Volvo brand of vehicles are a little bit more difficulty when it comes time to incorporating a set of electronic controls. After we installed this, we did have some lights on the dash that we did have to work through. However, after a couple hours more of additional work, our technicians worked to get all of those codes cleared. This example here with the electronic version is going to show that we've only got one rod coming down specifically to our brake. So our brake is still going to be a mechanical option. We're going to push this lever towards the dash to operate that. Our accelerator on this is actually going to be activated via this rocking motion. Now, right now the hand control is turned off, so if we pull on this lever, it does not rev up the vehicle at all. When the hand control is off, only the foot feed down below will activate that. So for individuals that are not needing the hand controls, they still have normal access to both the brake and the accelerator. If we want to turn a hand control on, we're going to press this button 3 consecutive times. That switch is going to come on, be solid blue. At this point, our hand control is on. Meanwhile, our pedal down below has been deactivated. This particular side has been mounted on the left side of the steering wheel. We can also mount these on the right side. If you've got a Volvo and you're looking to have a set of hand controls installed into it, in the description I have a link to BLVD.com where you can find a dealer near you in which they'd be happy to confirm your application, provide you a price quote for your hand controls. Questions, comments, leave it below.